Hi Rita, how are you? I am fine, thank you. I am very thinking about you, but I have not replied from you. I am same conditions, but I have not time to seeing you. I have a very pressures in my jobs. I am involving the new job and it is the far distance. But I am also trying to meeting you as soon as possible. I want to meeting you after a long time, so I am waiting to meeting you and reply for your phone. Other conversations. Hi Rina, how are you? I am very ill. I have listening that you are sick, so I want to inform for you. I advise to you that you should be to have an appointment and to visit a doctors. No, I have bought some medicines from the shop and I have getting a good results. But you should be to visit a doctors and you have need a good treatment. Okay, I remember to your suggestions. Thank you. Other conversations. Hi mom, what are you doing? I have digging I have digging a hole. But why are you digging a hole? I have digging a hole to plant a tree. What is the tree? It is the apple tree. How does it grow up? At first it grows up slowly. Hi mom, how are you? I am fine. How are you baby? I am fine. Why are you meeting with me? I am trying to meeting you after summer vacations. It is the best time to meeting you and I have getting a long leave. Okay, I am waiting. What is the conditions of my house? It is the good conditions. What are you doing? I am picking the vegetables.